This month, I'm going to show you this easy sparkle eye makeup look. And you can create it with these little sticks called the crystal eyes. It wouldn't be a Bobbi eye look if we did not have the shade Moonstone. Brilliant pink. Gorge. Brilliant honey, which to me is like just an everyday staple. Brilliant bronze. What I also love about these, the size. I love that they're small. They fit really nicely onto the eyelid. So you can just do a really quick swipe and then blend it with your finger. So I'm going to take Brilliant Moonstone and I have my ultra fine liner brush and I'm going to pop this into the corner of my eye. And this is such a great staple with any makeup look. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the Brilliant Pink and just put that right into the center of my eye. Just gives a little subtle dimension to the look, but it's really easy to do. Now I'm going to add my Smokey Eye Mascara to finish my daytime look. So a quick throw in your bag trick for evening is using either your favorite shade of our Longwear Cream Shadow Sticks or the Longwear Cream Liner Stick just to bring a little bit of depth to the lash line. I actually think I'm going to go in with the Longwear Cream Liner Stick in the shade Rich Chocolate. And then what I'm going to do is just point it downwards and I'm just going to sweep this along the lash line. All right, so I just took my little ultra fine eyeliner to make sure it's blended. You can see we're already getting more depth on this eye. No surprise, I'm gonna create just a little bit more length and lift on the outer part of my eye. Soft wing, perfect for night. Just because I'm feeling extra sassy today and I just love playing with these crystal eyes, I'm going to take the darkest shade I showed you guys here, which is Brilliant Bronze. And I have my smoky eyeliner brush. I'm just getting a little bit of product on both sides of the brush. And I'm going to smoke out my eye a little bit more underneath. And then I'm just going to connect it into that wing that I made. Okay, so this is my final look. I'm wearing this to date night. I'm wearing this to girls' night out. I'm wearing this to take my son on a walk. I'm wearing it everywhere because I love sparkle and I love using these sticks. They're so easy to use. They're lightweight, they're cooling, they feel really good on the eyes. I can't wait to see what looks that you create with the new Crystal Eye. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a video in this series.